Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones Day Trade setup for today. So what can we say about the Dow? Moving down nicely, and then the buyers decided this was a good area for value, and off we went. Now, I just want to put the level in that we should have been looking at, and it wasn't clean, so to me there wasn't really a trade because we closed below it last week. And you can see that's the previous level, and then there is one just below that, sort of right in that area there. You can see all the tails here, see there, and that's kind of the zone that we climbed into, or the buyers climbed into. For me at the moment, we've got crossover of the moving averages. We are flirting with the 155 EMA at the moment. So a lot of resistance to the left as well. You can see this was previous resistance 34,175. So that's the interesting area to see what's going to happen. If we start moving through the time frames and see what we've got, this is a big move up. But the concern that I've got, if you look at the previous highs here, there they are there, and this high, that's diversions, and trend is down. So I think this gap is going to be the current magnet, and then there's another gap above it, which is exactly where this level is here. That's probably what we're aiming for right now, but I'm not looking to be long at the moment. Down here was a good opportunity of one of these levels, and right now I want to see pullback on structure. So that's what we're waiting for. So you can see the hour as well. All the moving averages are still haven't crossed over, and we are pointing up ever so slightly, but I want to see structure. So we do have some minute gaps to the downside along this move up. So if I come to the 15-minute, we'll see it on the 5-minute. There's one in there. There's one there. There's another one there. And there's a small one down here as well. So there are gaps on this move to the upside on the lower time frame. So this does look like a bit of a flag forming, but the flag target is pretty much only going to come down to there. Look to the left, that would make sense. So that to me would be a fairly decent area to look for opportunities. That's 33,785, but then there are bigger moves to the downside. So this area right here at 33,472 would be a fantastic area, as would the next level down, 33,281. So for me, looking for a pullback and letting the moving averages just get a chance to cross over and start pointing up. I do expect a bit of resistance here. If we do get through here, we start holding it. So in other words, just make another line here. So this area that we're bouncing with here, so we can stay above 33,961, or should we just say 3,400? I think that's the big round number, 3,400, which is probably a little bit higher up there. Yeah, so we can recapture 3,400 and hold it. That would be a line in the sand, and I suspect we'd build a base off that for a move to the upside. So at the moment, I am still sitting patiently because there is a trend line here as well. There it is there. So I want to see price just rise a little bit more, fall off, form a higher low, and that's going to be the opportunity to buy into this. Okay, so anyway, at the moment it is big up, big down, big confusion, but it could also be a V reversal. But lately they've been fizzling out. As you can see, there's one there as well. Okay, so anyway, that's the view that I have at the moment. Just wait and see if we can get a pullback, get something like this, where you can get a higher low, and then you can look for the trade to the upside. Hope it helps. We'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.